Yes, good morning, student. And today we will discuss about the operating system concept. And this is the title of today's topic, and presented by the Mahadipal from MSIT. Overview: an operating system is the interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drive and printers. Some popular operating system includes Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. Now, how operating system works? I am giving the one example. Suppose that anybody is working in any office, and in office the manager is the administrative person. He is taking care of everything of the office. Same thing here, operating system works. The definition of operating system: an operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and control the execution of all kinds of programs. And operating system work with the basically two layers. First one is the user space layer, and second one is the kernel space layer. And user space layer, user interact with the application, and kernel space layer, there are so many things like input output management, message interpreted, memory management, process scheduling. Now you are looking at our architecture. The following characteristics of the operating systems. Operating system is a collection of programs. Those are responsible for execution of the other programs. For example, suppose we have created some program in the C and C++. Now we want to execute our programs. Without operating system, you cannot execute your programs. You need a operating system. Second point, the operating system is that which is responsible is for controlling all the input and output devices. Those are connected to the system. Is it clear? And suppose you connected with you connected your keyboard in your system, and now you want to work with your keyboard. Without operating system, you cannot. Need a operating system. Third one, operating system is that which is responsible is for running all the application software. Is it clear? And suppose I am giving the example. You have installed your MS Office in your computer. Now you want to start your MS Word application. You need a operating system. Without operating system, you cannot start, you cannot execute any application software. Fourth point, operating system is that which provides scheduling to the various process, means allocate the memory to various process those want to execute. Okay? And fifth point, operating system is that which provides the communication between the user and the system. It means you want to interact with your system, you want to communicate with your system, need a operating system. Now how will you communicate? Help of your programs, your application software, you will communicate with your system. The sixth point, the operating system is stored into the BIOS, means in the basic input output system, means when a user starts his system, then this will read all the instructions those are necessary for executing the system, means for running the operating system. The operating system must be loaded into the computer. For this will use the floppy or hard disk which stored the operating system. Clear to all? Function of operating system. This is the various functions. These are the various functions, and this is the crucial topic for the operating system concept. The first function is the resource management, storage management, process management, memory management, security, control over the system performance, job accounting, error detecting errors, coordination between other hardware and user. Some of them we will discuss today, and later we will discuss remaining part. First one is the resource management. Operating system, also known as the resource manager, means operating system will manages all the resources those are attached to the system, means all the resources like memory and processor and all the input output devices those are attached to the system are known as the resource of the computer system, and the operating system will manage all the resources of the system. Storage management. Operating system also controls all the storage operations, means how the data or file will be stored into the computer and how the files will be accessed by the user, etc. All the operations those are responsible for the storing and accessing the files is determined by the operating system. Also allow us creation of files, creation of directories, reading and writing the data of files and directories, and also copy the contents of the files and the directories from one place to another place. Now I am giving the one example. Suppose you want to create any folder in Windows operating system. How will you create your folder? Just right click on the any place and go to new and go to new and click folder options, and after that you will type your folder name. Now you have you created your folder. Without operating system it is not possible. Same thing, and you want to create the any files, same thing, right click on the any places and go to new and click any one file and put your file name, and without operating system it is not possible. Process management. The operating system also threads and process management means all the process those are given by the user or the process those are systems own process are handled by the operating system. The operating system will create the priorities by the user and also start or stop the execution of the process, and also make the child process after dividing the large process into the small process. Is it clear? Memory management. The operating system also manages the memory of the computer system, means provide the memory to the process and also deallocate the memory from the process, and also define that if a process gets completed then this will be deallocate the memory from the process. Device management. An operating system manages the devices communication via their respective drivers. It does the following activities for the device management: keep track of all devices. Program responsible for this task is known as input output controller. Decide which process gets the devices, when and for how much time. Allocate the device in the efficient way. Deallocate the device. File management. A file manager is normally organized into directories for easy navigate and uses. This directory may contain files and other files. An operating system does the following activities for file management: keep track the information, location, uses, status, etc. The collective facilities are often known as file system. Decides who gets the resources, allocate the resources, deallocate the resources. Thank you. Have a nice day.